I request the photographers also to move back a little, please. Give channels a clear view.
Amrita Arora.
Zeenat ji, please look here.
Zeenat ji, ma'am.
Zeenat ji, come. Yeah. Yeah, look.
Yeah, look here. All of you.
This is the free front.
And some hidden meaning in our lives. आज की जिंदगी में a good life is synonymous with money. जितना पैसा है, उतना ही लक्ष्य जिंदगी. No wonder it things that are surely not mundane. आम से हटकर things that can make us throw caution to wind. बगैर किसी बात की परवाह किए. Things, well, didn't we say money is very important? So important that it almost has a monopoly. Does it really? Or is there something else that rules the roost? Is it the brain that creates that money? Or perhaps the heart? Dimag? Yeah, Dil. What you are asking? All I can say of now is only time will tell. But now, may I introduce the key figure behind the venture, Mr. Nilesh Malhotra. Mr. Malhotra's journey started with Mr. Malhotra's Bollywood ventures as well, and with the likes of Pierce Brosnan, gathering right experience to learn it into a fruitful.
Ladies and gentlemen, first I would like to all you welcome here and enjoy this evening. Should be, if this film will be shot in Canada, that will be really great. So I went there to see some locations or just to visit few very nice people, that how things start working, and the Canadian company joined with me to introduce you, first of all, my partners from Canada, Mr. Jitendra Minhas, please stand. Then Mr. Ramesh Mehta, another partner from Canada, and Mr. Manjeet Bhatti. These all are from Vancouver. And about the star cast, I don't have to say anything. They all are legends. First of all, Zeenat ji, कोई इनके introduction की जरूरत नहीं है. Then Amrita Arora also, Hrishita Bhatt, Rajat Devi, Karan Khanna, Vivek Shaw. I don't have to give any introduction of them. I want this get-together main purpose was, is a Jack Conroy, 3-time Oscar Award nominated. He is not here right now, but he will be joining us when we will going to shoot there. Mr. Raju Subramaniam, will you please come? He is our Mr. Rakesh Srivastav, our production executive. Mr. Rakesh Acharya, and our editor, Mr. Suresh Chaturvedi, please come. And our associate director, Mr. Him Vijay, where are you, Praveen Vijay? And our still photograph, Mr. Nilesh Kalia, please come. And our main writer, who did the screenplay and dialogue, Mr. Rajesh Iyer. I would like to call Mr. Suresh Sharma also, please come here. He is the one pillar behind this setting of all project. I think the rest of the people are not here, so I would like to tell Mr. Minhas, he would like to say a few words.
especially with Zeenat ji and Amrita and Hrishita and everybody, and it's been great. And of course, Karan.
Have drinks, enjoy whatever you want to do it. That is a different, like Punjabi and Spanish mix.
चलो यार
Yes, nowadays, I don't know, but yes. It's sweet.
क्या